Think beyond conventional investments. Look to where India's next industrial leap will come from. As the nation pivots towards sustainability, healthcare access, and smart mobility, the greatest returns will be found not in crowded markets, but in sectors critical to the country's future infrastructure and well-being. These are not just profitable spaces, they're essential building blocks for a future-ready India. For over 3 decades, we've supported Indian businesses through shifting policies, emerging technologies, and complex regulatory frameworks. Our expertise is drawn from 50+ government policy blueprints, confidential discussions with 100+ experts, and proprietary data. What follows is not trend chasing, it's a curated list of high-potential sectors backed by serious analysis and execution-ready strategy. 5. Eggshell Powder. Unlocking value from waste. What was once discarded as poultry waste is fast becoming a high-value ingredient in nutraceuticals, cosmetics, and agriculture. Eggshell powder, rich in calcium carbonate, is used in supplements, fertilizers, and even skincare. With the Indian market projected to grow from $69.4 million in 2024 to $100.8 million by 2030, this sector is transforming supply chains around egg processing. The Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund, AHED, supports this shift with interest subventions on loans for poultry and egg processing units. At the same time, export promotion measures are increasing global demand for egg-derived products. As India climbs the value chain in agro-processing, eggshell powder presents a low-capital, high-return opportunity that aligns with waste wealth goals. 4. E-Rickshaw Assembly. Accelerating clean urban mobility. Indian streets are going electric and e-rickshaws are leading the charge. Affordable, efficient, and ideal for last-mile connectivity, e-rickshaws are set to expand from a $1.42 billion market in 2025 to $2.77 billion by 2030. Passenger variants dominate, while lithium-ion battery-powered vehicles are growing at 38.7% CAGR. With strong incentives under the FAME to scheme and new extensions via the Electric Mobility Promotion Scheme EMPS 2024, manufacturers and assemblers can avail subsidies of up to 50,000 rupee per unit. The government's long-term vision includes phasing out ICE three-wheelers in several urban zones, creating an urgent need for new players to meet this demand. For businesses eyeing the mobility revolution, E-Rickshaw Assembly offers fast entry with robust policy support. 3. Biodegradable Floral Foam. Greening the gifting economy. As sustainability becomes non-negotiable, biodegradable floral foam is emerging as a vital solution for the floral and decorative industries. Unlike traditional foam, which lingers in landfills for centuries, biodegradable alternatives offer the same functionality without the environmental cost. Globally, this market is expected to grow from $4.8 million in 2023 to $6.9 million by 2030, and India, part of the high-growth Asia-Pacific zone, is ripe for local manufacturing. While there are no floral foam-specific subsidies, India offers strong incentives for greenfield projects, including capital and interest subsidies, IP reimbursement, and preferential support for MSME manufacturing parks. With increasing demand from weddings, exports, and e-commerce gifting, floral foam production offers a niche, low-competition entry point for sustainable manufacturing. 2. Disposable syringes. Building India's medical backbone. The rise in injectable therapies, chronic diseases, and public health initiatives has triggered a surge in demand for disposable plastic syringes. With projections ranging from $0.49 billion to $0.385 billion by 2030, the industry's steady CAGR of up to 10.3% reflects both essential demand and strong government support. The PLI scheme for medical devices offers 5% incentives on incremental sales, while medical device parks reduce CapEx with subsidized infrastructure. Add to that 100% FDI via the automatic route, and syringe manufacturing becomes a strategic entry point into healthcare manufacturing. For entrepreneurs seeking recession-proof industries with long-term relevance, this sector offers scalable, high-demand growth. 1. IV fluid manufacturing, the lifeline of Indian healthcare. From dehydration to diabetes care, IV fluids are an indispensable part of modern medicine. India's IV solutions market is projected to surge from $470.6 million in 2023 to $893.7 million by 2030, driven by growing hospital infrastructure, chronic care, and total parenteral nutrition (TPN) therapies. Backed by the PLI scheme for pharmaceuticals, the scheme for strengthening the pharmaceuticals industry (SPI), and the promotion of bulk drug parks, the ecosystem is evolving to support large-scale fluid manufacturing. As India continues to expand its healthcare reach from rural health camps to urban ICRs, this is a foundational sector with consistent demand, high volumes, and extensive backward linkage opportunities. From healthcare and mobility to sustainability and agri-waste transformation, these 5 sectors aren't just promising, they're pivotal. But recognizing opportunity is only step 1. Turning it into business success requires strategy, speed, and the right technical foundation. And that's where we come in. With over 30+ years of experience, we've helped businesses across India navigate and thrive in emerging sectors by offering end-to-end support from detailed techno-economic feasibility reports and in-depth market research to equipment and raw material planning, process flow diagrams, and complete financial projections with ROI analysis. Whether you're looking for a ready-made solution or need something custom-built from the ground up, we tailor every step to align with your goals and resources. If you're ready to turn data into smart, actionable decisions, get in touch with us using the phone number or email provided in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for regular insights into high-growth opportunities and future-ready industries. Your next big move starts here.